Through digitizations, we are building systems which can create trust and financial resilience in communities. Apparently, SACCOs are facing a lot of challenges where you find they are managing records manually. For example, the ledgers, the deposits, the withdrawals, and they're actually tracking loans and loan payments using Excel. And because of that, they are creating a very serious issue where there is lack of transparency, inefficiency, fraud. There is chance of fraud, poor record management, and all those things are not actually good for the SACCO. So we are providing a solution which is more of a digital SACCO, and this platform is helping the SACCOs to streamline entirely the operations. It ranges from having client-facing tools like mobile apps, USSD access, and then the entire connection to the SACCO core banking, where we are now able to capture all records in one place, and we ensure there is real-time reporting, real-time SMSs, especially when payments are made, when transactions are done. So in so doing, now members have got real access and real-time access to their information, and they can bank or withdraw anytime. They can actually send money anytime they want. They can withdraw money anytime they want. And all those things, as they happen, reports are being generated, financial reports are being generated. So the SACCO is actually updated, and the client himself is actually updated. Gone are the days when we used to think like banks are the only institutions that should have systems. Right now we have digital SACCOs which operate the same way banks are actually operating. So because of that, we have actually extended inclusion or financial inclusion to the deep villages where people can actually access these services, not necessarily by moving to the SACCO areas or to the SACCO locations, but actually accessing these services digitally. And because of that, we have seen SACCOs actually developing very fast because they are getting clients from different areas. Some SACCOs have opened their platforms in a way that I can go online and open an account with a SACCO, and I start banking without actually necessarily going to the SACCO premise, and I still get the benefits of a SACCO member. So I believe it is important for every SACCO to digitize their operation, streamline their operation, give clients access to their information when actually they need to access. That creates a lot of trust in the members, and it also improves the revenues of the SACCOs. To the side of the SACCO, there has been a lot of income now being realized from digital channels. For example, you know that if you wanted to get your account balance as a member, you'd run to the SACCO and then you ask for your balance, or you would use airtime to call the SACCO and get your balance. But with our digital solutions right now, you're able to go into your app and you're able to access your account and know the balance. So meaning that you have saved on your side, but the SACCO has actually earned something. And to the SACCO, that is another income stream which we cannot take for granted, because every time you do a balance inquiry, maybe there's a charge of 500 that comes in. So looking at the SACCO numbers, that is also one stream. We have also SMS notifications. Every transactions that happen, we generate SMSs, which those SMSs are paid, and that is also another income stream. We have now a way someone can deposit. Much as we are solving a problem of a convenience on the side of the client, The client does not have to, incur transport costs to go to the SACCO or something, but at least they can bank using their phones, and every mobile banking transaction, normally the SACCO realizes some income. So all that income, when you aggregate it and you consolidate it, it becomes another income revenue, which another SACCO which is not using like a digital solution may not actually gain. So even loan payments online, there's some income coming through other than just interest. So you see that for SACCOs which have embraced technology, they are actually performing way better, and people have trusted them. Because to me, SACCOs which are not having systems, normally you're going to find that clients are on masses of who they know in the SACCO. And those people they know in the SACCO, at times they are managers, they leave the SACCO. And we have seen that when a manager leaves the SACCO, because he had been knowing so many clients, those clients go with the manager. So the SACCO is no longer trusted because they do not have systems. Because if a manager leaves, I'm scared that if I will go to the SACCO, maybe I will not find my balances, or I may not find my money because I knew the manager. So many of our clients have been asking about the security. They are worried about the security, knowing that these SACCOs can operate maybe without anyone since they are digital. Yes, as people who are involved in technology, we have enough knowledge, especially in cybersecurity, and how we can protect your data, and how we can protect fraud, how we can protect your systems from being attacked by these people, these vouchers which are operating on internet, online. So we have different mechanisms that we may not speak out here, but all systems must be secured, and because of that, all our digital solutions are equally secured, and we haven't had any challenges with fraud. As we digitize SACCOs, we are not only transforming institutions, we are transforming lives. With every transaction being recorded, with every loan approved transparently, with every member empowered to save and borrow with ease. We are building a stronger community and more financially inclusive future for Ugandans.